Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I forgot to record an intro for you guys. I just wanted to post like a quick video. So I just went straight into the tutorial. You saw me priming my face with the e.l.f. poreless putty primer and then going in with a facial oil, and now I am applying my foundation and I'm using the NARS. It's not the all day luminous, it's the other one in the like long bottle. So I put my concealer on, and now I'm going to go ahead and conceal my face. And you're going to see me make this face because that concealer, I didn't like it, and then it was like a little too dark. I wanted to highlight rather than conceal, and so I'm going with the Tarte Shape Tape just to conceal, give me that brightness under my eye, my chin, bridge of my nose, and my forehead. Yeah. And so I'm going to go ahead and blend that out with my Real Techniques Beauty Blender. So yeah, you're just going to see me blend all this out with that beauty blender, the same one that I applied my foundation with, just to give me that seamless blend. And once I'm done applying that not applying it, but blending it out, I'm going to go ahead and set it with my Huda Beauty setting powder in the shade Pound Cake. And I'm just going to set all the areas that you saw me apply my concealer with. And I'm using another Real Techniques Beauty Blender to do that. Just on, the outer part of my face, wherever I concealed, I'm putting that powder. I'm going to use a different powder for the outer part of my face. And I'm just using the back of that beauty blender to just, press that powder into my skin rather than sweep it away, because, that will disturb that foundation underneath. So you saw me set the outer part of my face. I was using the Sephora Micro Smooth powder, and now I'm going to go ahead and bronze up my face. That was the first time me ever using that bronzer. It was the Morphe bronzer, and it's super pigmented, and I didn't know that. I just ended up using too much, but it's okay. We're going to go ahead and blend that out with another brush and another bronzer. I applied another bronzer on top of that to help me blend it out. You would think that that would make it look, more muddy, but it really just helped me blend it out seamlessly. And I'm just going to apply it to my cheeks, my forehead, and under my chin, I believe. Let me see. I believe I did. But yes, giving very much bronze glow goddess, yes. Let me see what's gonna happen. Okay, so I'm using that same Morphe bronzer in my crease just to kind of contour my eyelids. I really don't wear eyeshadow. Whatever bronzer I end up using, I usually just apply it to my crease, or if I don't use a bronzer, I'll use like a brown eyeshadow. I really don't play with eyeshadow too much. So yeah, you're just going to see me apply that. Now I'm applying my Milani Luminoso blush to my nose, my cheeks. And now I'm bronzing my nose. I really don't contour my nose. I feel like I just bronze it. I'm not being precise or anything like that. And it looks crazy now, but we're going to clean all that up, and it's going to be real bronze, real cute, real small, real quick. So I'm cleaning up all of, my mess I made just to give everything a more sharp, crisp look. Oh my goodness. I really hope y'all can't hear that, but anyways, I'm going to wipe that bake away. Let me see. What am I going to do? Oh, I took the Sephora Micro Smooth powder just to get that white cast away, because the Micro Smooth powder is more of my skin tone. I should have used that to clean up anyways rather than that setting powder, just to avoid the white cast altogether. And now I'm just, cleaning up everything, getting that excess powder away with my brush, blending everything out with that brush that I used. And now I'm going to go ahead and set the face. What did I use? Oh, I used my Mario Badescu Rose Water. That I haven't used that spray in like 2 years, and I recently bought it again and started using it, and oh my god, I fell in love with it again. I stopped using it because everybody was like, it's horrible for your skin, it's straight alcohol, and yeah, they're right. That's why it's so good as a setting spray and not like, a facial spray, I guess, like, if that makes sense. That shit ain't gonna Once you use that Mario Badescu, your makeup is going nowhere, honey. And it's going to be very, very, you know, see, like, skin-like. Like, look at my skin. Like, giving very much real-life skin, like, what? But, yeah, I'm just pressing that setting spray into my skin, getting that concealer off those lips. We're going to apply lip liner. I think I did that off camera, though. Yeah, and now I'm applying the NYX, what is that called? The NYX Suede Matte Lip, something like that, in the shade Abu Dhabi, I believe, or London. And then I applied my lashes and everything off camera. I'm going to go ahead and put a beauty mark with my eyeliner. What else am I going to do? Oh my god, I hate those lashes. Guys, this video is kind of old. I do not even wear 25mm lashes anymore, so this is kind of cringy for me, I'm not going to lie. But I just wanted to post something, and you know, I had this in my gallery. But anyways, yeah, I'm just like feeling myself, just making sure everything looks good. And yeah, this is basically the look. It's giving skin. And yeah, I just want to say thank you guys for watching. I know I've been gone for so long, but anyone who's watching or returning subscriber, thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.